Hey guys, this is Sam with South Hills Lincoln. I'm going to talk to you in this video about cooled seats in the 2022 Lincoln Corsair. Does it have them? The simplest answer to this question is yes, it can have them. Let me explain. I'm going to show you how they work. It's actually incredibly simple, and then I'm going to talk about how you can get them on the Corsair because it's not standard on every trim. For anybody wondering, the cooled seats only come in the front. It's the front two seats. The outboard rear seats, it's only heated. I always loved cooled seats because I'm an incredibly sweaty person and it drives my girlfriend insane. So here you have cooled seats. These are the heated seats. We might make a video about those too. But here are the cooled seats. It has 3 different settings. You just press that button if your gluteus maximus starts to melt in the summer. There are 3 different speeds that it can go on. Something to note is that this feature does kick in incredibly fast, and you might be surprised at how quickly it responds to just pressing it. Now, I know what some of you guys might be thinking. Does this come on every trim level of the Corsair? There are 3 trim levels of the Corsair. There's the Standard, the Reserve, and the GT, which is the hybrid. Believe it or not, it doesn't come standard on any of them, but all 3 of them do have the option of something called the Elements package. The Elements package does come with heated and cooled front seats, heated steering wheel, rain sense wipers, and a windshield wiper de-icer, which is really convenient in the winter. You're going to have to opt for the Elements technology bundle if you are looking to get this feature in the GT, which is basically the Elements package and the technology package together. And the technology package is what's going to give you features like a wireless charging pad, a hands-free liftgate, and 24-way power adjustable front seats with a massage function. So that is the Lincoln Corsair. Does it have cooled seats? Yes, it can. Let me know what you guys think. Have you guys had cooled seats on a vehicle in the past? How was your experience? Did you like it? Would you want them in your next vehicle? Let us know in the comments below. Let us know if you have any further questions you'd like us to answer about the Lincoln Corsair. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you can see more of the content that we're putting out. If you'd like to come in and take the Lincoln Corsair for a drive, give us a call at 724-941-1600. Please make sure to ask for Sam. I work with referrals and people who like these videos. Regardless, this is Sam with South Hills Lincoln. Stay safe, stay warm, and be well.